How do I import my W-2 on eSmart Tax? Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video, I'm going to talk about how can you import your W-2 on eSmart Tax. In order to import your W-2 form into the eSmart Tax for the tax year 2024, you typically need to follow these steps. First of all, log into your eSmart Tax account. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll need to do so before proceeding. Then after, navigate to the W-2 import section. That allows you to import your W-2 information. This might be labeled as import W-2 or similar. eSmart Tax may offer multiple methods for importing your W-2 information. This could include importing directly from your employer's payroll provider if supported, or uploading a digital copy of your W-2 form. Depending on the import method you choose, follow the prompts to provide the necessary information, and this may involve entering your employer's EIN, employer identification number, or uploading a digital copy of your W-2 form. After importing your W-2 information, review it carefully to ensure accuracy. Check that your name, social security number, and other details match what's on your physical W-2 form. Once your W-2 information is imported, proceed with the completing with other sections of your tax return as needed. This may include reporting additional income, deductions, credits, and other relevant information. Before submitting your tax return, review all the information entered to ensure accuracy and make any necessary corrections or additions. Once you are satisfied with your tax return, you can proceed it to file electronically through the eSmart Tax and follow the instructions provided to complete the filing process. If you encounter any difficulties while importing your W-2 form or have any questions about the process, consult eSmart Tax Help Resources. They should be able to provide guidance specific to the eSmart Tax platform for the tax year 2024. So this is basically on how can you import your W-2 on eSmart Tax. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.